With faciliCAD, employee information can be entered and managed in either the CAD Manager or the Data Manager. Although it is possible to place and move employees from rooms in both applications, it is recommended that the faciliCAD Move Manager be used for multiple employee moves. This is a powerful feature available in the Data Manager. Once a move ticket has been created and processed, and the database has been updated with the moves, the results can be displayed in either a tabular format in the Data Manager or graphically in both the CAD Manager and the Web Manager applications. This demonstration shows the process of creating and processing a move ticket. Once processed, the CAD drawing will be updated to show the results. We will also show some of the features available in the CAD Manager to manipulate the employee data in a graphic format. So let's take a look at the type of employee information that can be entered, managed, and tracked using faciliCAD. Information like the employee ID, the employee name, the organization the employee is assigned to, and even a graphic file can be attached if available. Additional information about the employee can also be entered if desired. It is important to note that this information can be entered manually using the employee data entry form, or if existing spreadsheets and database files are available, the employee information could also be entered in bulk using what is commonly referred to as a data dump. Once the employee database has been populated, employees can be placed, moved, and removed individually using the tools provided in both the Data and CAD Manager, or the Move Manager can be used to create move tickets to be applied on selected dates. The use of the Move Manager also assures that all parties involved in a particular move have been involved from beginning to end. Once a move ticket has been created and assigned to a requester, details about the individual moves can be filled in and assigned to the current ticket. Information such as the employee to be moved, the to and from information about COM equipment like data ports and jacks, and additional comments if required. Reports can be generated and emailed to the various groups involved in the move. Once all the moves have been approved, and the ticket itself has been approved, the moves are ready to be processed. Processing the move ticket will update the database with new location, toggle on and off the vacancy setting, infer the org type using the rules selected, and move any assets that have been linked to the employees as well. So now let's look at the results graphically from the CAD Manager. Using the employee update employees drawing command, you will notice that the database changes will take effect and move all the employees from the left-hand side of the drawing to the right-hand side, and also the labels will be updated as well. It is also possible to place, move, and remove employees individually if a single move needs to be made and a move ticket is not required. First, let's place an employee. Using basically the same dialog box as within the Data Manager, an employee can be placed using the place command. I will select an employee and place this employee in the room with Richard Wright. The Employee Organizational Infer Rules dialog appears to make sure that the standards are applied when making the particular move. In this case, I'm going to add the employee's organization to the room, and I'm going to split them equally. The employee has now been placed, the label has been updated, and the room allocation has been updated as well. Let's take a look. So now let's move an employee from one room to the next. We will do this using the employee move command. I'm going to take Richard Wright, and I'm going to move him into the room with Richard Manuel. Again, my organizational infer rules dialog appears to make sure that I apply the standards that keep everything in sync. Once again, in this case, I'm going to add the employee's organization and evenly split it. Lastly, let's look at how an employee is removed from a room. Again, this could be done using the Move Manager, and individual moves, placements, and removes can be applied and tracked using a move ticket. In this case, it's one move. We're going to remove the employee from the room. Not only is he removed graphically, but the database is updated as well. So these are some of the tools that are available from within the faciliCAD Data and CAD Manager to help making the tracking and managing of employees a much easier task than without a tool like this.